Welcome to a demonstration of Tradepronamics motor mechanic workshop management software. This demonstration is about the job card and how you create purchase orders and receive items directly from the job card. Now this feature can be used when you don't want to lose parts, you want to order parts for a particular vehicle and you want to know when they have to come in for that vehicle and you don't want to sort of lose parts. Not know which parts belong to which vehicle. So this job card here has 3 items on there. First one is spark plug. We've got a quantity of 6. Before I continue, I'll just say you don't have to use all this. You can just print the job card, put the items on there, print it, give it to the customer. He can sign it off, and then when he comes in, you can just generate an invoice without doing any ordering or purchasing, etc. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to show you how to order and purchase items and assign the job card. So for spark plug, we've got a quantity of 6. Let's do the oil. Okay, so this one's already been delivered. So you can see here it's color coded. White means it's in stock. So that one's in stock. There's the delivery number. Okay, yellow means it's just pending. So we haven't done anything with it. It's just a basic job card with valve oil on there at the moment. Once we order it, once it's on order, we'll turn it to red. So let's order it. It's quantity 6. Right mouse click. Select create purchase order. This is the purchase order. Purchase order comes up. There's the supplier. There's a quantity of 6. Let's change it to 4. Okay, there's the item. Okay, there's the purchase order number. The job number is part of the purchase order number. J1, there's the job number there. On this tab, it's delivery instructions. So these delivery instructions tell the supplier sort of where to deliver it, or the other instructions that you might want to have for delivery. So let's click on delivery instructions. On there you've got the delivery date, the delivery address. Now all these can be automatically pre-filled, like in the setup. You can set it up so it always fills the pre-fill. You've got the vendor salesperson. So the supplier might have a salesperson that you deal with all the time. You put his name there, so when the fax comes or the email comes, he knows it's him. Okay, he might have a few salespeople. Okay, let's go back to the purchase order. Okay, so there's the instructions. Go back to the purchase order. We'll just leave it back for a moment for this demonstration. Go back to the purchase order. You can email the purchase order. Let's just save it. Now we'll go save. That's been saved. All these go these and not being received yet. That's a purchase order. It's the opposite of quotes. I think I send the purchase order to the supplier saying this is what I need when it comes in, and you create a purchase invoice for all the accounting stuff, etc. Like stocks, increase, bank accounts, etc. So when we exit the purchase order, you can see on the job card the valve lane is turned to red now. So red means it's on order. And here's the purchase order number, and we've ordered 4. Okay, so by looking at this job card, you can see the spark plugs have come in. It's still white. There's the delivery number. The oil is still on order. It hasn't come in yet. It hasn't been delivered. And this service is still pending. Nothing's happened to it. It's just sitting there. So when the oil comes in, you can just right mouse click to receive it. So select receive item and bill for this purchase order. We can receive this item and bill. Let's just select that one. You can use either one. Work a little bit differently. So let's receive item and bill for this purchase order. This is valve lane 4. Select that. You might have 10 items there. You might receive a few of them. You can change the quantity you receive. So what's being received is not what you actually ordered. Just go to insert. Okay. So now we've got the purchase invoice, the job number, there's the oil, etc. So when you save this purchase invoice, does all the accounting increases, you know, the quantity stuff by 4, so decreases the bank account, okay, the bank account there, the amount the bank account is paying out money, your supply statements are updated, all your general ledgers, balance sheet, profit and loss, everything's worked out automatically. I'm going to hit the save button, so I'm just going to save. It's all been done. So if we exit from there, you'll see the overlay is now in white. Okay, so it's in white, it's in stock. There's the purchase order number. There's the delivery number, 10. And that's basically it. Now you can do all this outside of the job card, just by directly going to purchase, typing the job number, etc. Or you can do it from here. Now you might have one department doing all the purchasing outside the job card, putting the job numbers in, etc. And you know, receiving the items, and as they get received, they can be allocated to the various vehicles or various jobs. And at the end, you can just generate an invoice. Just one button, generate invoice. And once everything's been received, etc. If you do a return, it goes great. The return number goes there, return item. But once it's all done, you just go generate invoice. Is the job finished? Yes. I want to save it? Yes. And there's the invoice. Okay. That's the invoice, and that's it. So if you have any questions, if you want a video in any particular feature or a new feature you want to add to the software, just go to the website and give me a call. All the contact details are on there. It's very simple. Mobile, office, etc. 24/7. And the website is www.rad.com.au. Thanks.